Xo'p, senga qanaqa bolalar yoqadi bo'lmasam? What is your type?
I think manga and Kitty has it's like a sense of humor. Kulgari, Kitty. I think
O'zbekcha gapir.
that's my. She mani birinchi nomer nasam kulgari odam bo'lsa.
Ha, ana hazilkash.
Da. Generous.
Tushundim. O'zbekchasiga qanaqa aytardi uni?
That's fine.
Tak pishuv emas-chi, pishuv bola emas.
And yeah.
Ko'rinishicha ko'rinishi qanaqa bo'lishi kerak? Oqmi, qorami, sariqmi? Karasmi?
I mean, I don't know. I don't necessarily.
Внешности yo'q senda anaqasi farqi.
Yeah, I think if it just you don't really control who you like, you know. So,
I know, but do you have a type?
I mean, I guess like I think I like very conventional. I mean, from what I've gathered from the people.
O'zbekcha gapir.
But I can't. If I speak Uzbek, I'm not gonna be able to do this.
Mana qancha gapira olsang gapiraver.
Sorry, just like I can't. This is so difficult. Uzbekcha gapirish menga qiyin emas, faqat naqa savol answer qilsam, men aql bilan savollar tushunasizlarmi? Men aql bilan gapira olmayman o'zbekchada. Chunki
biz aqlli biz tushunib olamiz hamma narsani.
No, that's not what I mean. O'zim aql bilan gapira olmayman. It's very broad, naqa vague gaplar.
Mana farqi yo'q. Bizga o'zbekcha gapiraver. Biz anglishchani tushunmaymiz.
Siz tushunasiz, nega biz deysiz?
Bular endi ko'plar tushunmaydi. Sen o'zbekcha gapiraver. Meni anglishcham yaxshimi, Sevinch?
Yeah.
Yaxshi gapiraman-ku.
Yeah, obviously.